Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. And this section will be talking about organic lip cream. That means how to prepare organic lip cream. So, what do we need to prepare these? We said organic, and that means it's going to be pure organic. So, everything we'll be using will be organic material. Our first product is going to be coconut oil. Then we have the beeswax, we have shea butter, we have glycerin, we have vitamin E. Then you make use of your perf. Your perf can be banana perf, can be strawberry, or anything that scents cool. So you put your clean pot on fire and make sure it is low heat. We are not to burn or to fry. We are to just heat it up so that the ingredients can mix together. That is one. Then if any germs is in there, you can kill it right away. So we'll be putting coconut oil on fire first. Let it heat a little bit. Then with our beeswax, then you add your shea butter. Then after that, you stir the solution and make sure it's well mixed. Then you turn off the heat. Already it is hot already, so you turn off the heat and add other ingredients. You don't have to wait till everything is cool, but just make sure at least it's a little bit warm when adding other ingredients. So you add your glycerin and stir. Then you add vitamin E. Then you stir and you add your perf. So that's all you just need to do is to wait till it is a little bit cool. Then you add it to your container. So when adding it to container, make sure it is cool. Then add it to your container and leave it till it is solidified. Note, I'm seeing some kind of settlement. I added it when it was a little bit cold, so try and make sure you heat it up so that everything goes together. Then apart from that, there are a little bit settlements down. Those are from shea butter. So sometimes if you're going industrial, make sure you eat your shea butter first, separate the depth, that means sieve it before adding to any production of yours wherever you see shea butter as part of your production. So as you can see in the video, this is my production and it is well solidified. It's cool, and this is not too hard and it's not too strong. What you do in case is maybe you allow it to cool down and only use the top so that you don't have this kind of settlement in your production, especially when you're selling. Thank you very much. My name remains Prezemi Kasali. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook for more detailed entrepreneurial training section. Thank you very much.